The whole energy system across the UK is changing. What we see in the Northwest is a microcosm of what's happening across the broader UK industry. As we see much more decentralisation from the grid, much more low carbon technologies hitting the network, it's going to create a lot more problems on the network, but with those problems come opportunities. Opportunities for us, but also opportunities for our stakeholders as well. So it's really about how can customers understand what those opportunities are, how can they interpret them in terms of what their organisation can achieve from them, and how can we support them then kind of realise those benefits and deliver on those opportunities. It's really good to have the people that matter most across our regional network in the room, sharing their experiences as well. It's not just about what we think and what we do and what we want to see, it's about leaning into what the regional kind of temperature is from a different profile of stakeholders. We need to be addressing their challenges in the work that we do. So that was really clear today in terms of what come out with the guest speakers. For me, it's all about engagement and more engagement. The more we can learn from the people that participated, we can learn from the people that haven't participated. It's about applying those learnings and creating new things. It's about understanding limitations, how we can break down those limitations, other things that we can do to stimulate the markets as well. So as we look at the journey over the last 12 months from a social DSO perspective, we have learned an awful lot. And it's about taking a breath, looking at those learnings and making sure that on the next kind of phase and approach that we take is that we apply those learnings, make it more accessible. It's really about kind of development. It's incrementalism almost. We don't want to go so far then fall off. You know, a small improvement year on year is kind of where we're trying to head with this, because that will get us to where we want to get to in the medium and longer term.